Normal recording.
Shared together and a flutter on the horses with colleagues, clients or friends, with exclusive event spaces, tailored packages and venues across Sydney. Laundy Hotels is the place to host an unforgettable Melbourne Cup Day. Securing your space today at laundy.com.au.
Oh wow!
This winter, make it Bioceuticals Armour Force Daily Protect. With a combination of vitamins E and D, B and selenium to support a healthy immune system to fight illness all year round. Will you to help reduce the duration of a common cold? Ask the pharmacist warehouse about
Okay guys, I'm just stopped on the way up to Sydney, got my boat on the back, taking my boat out. Yeah, so my car's run out of rego. I didn't even know, they didn't send me a notice. But I can't get it registered till tomorrow because I haven't got my pink slip. But I've paid me CTP and everything else. But anyway, I've got the Canards one. And yeah, I've got my boat out, guys. Got up there Lucy, very good, easy, very good with this car, but plenty of grunt. Well, my car has too. Throw some other stuff in here too, a friend's place, some furniture. I should use my boat the whole time. It's a trailer, and then taking it out in the water each time. Anyway guys, thanks for watching guys, and I will put the drone up now and have a bit of a look around, and I've got to make haste. Got my chocolate cake there, got my UHF radio there, got my VHF radios in the boat. So breakdown this time, got all the communication in the world in a spot that's got no mobile phone signal. Okay guys, see you on the flip side. A roll intro.
'Cause we are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come, we share a dream, and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are.
Footy at Shark Stadium between Cronulla and the Roosters, and then
G'day guys, welcome to Honour Australia. I just got to quickly head up to Sydney, take this trailer back to Canards. then I've got to get back down the coast and take that ute back. I got my car registered this morning, bit of mucking around, but I've got a lot of work to do at home. But hopefully this afternoon I'll get time to take my boat out either on the lake or out in the ocean. But I've got to go now, guys. It's pretty dangerous, this road. Just sit back and watch. Got the trailer on the back. You're a nightmare, but you can do it. But I'll get charged another day if I don't get it up there. And the same thing suffices to the ute, so I need to get it back. But I couldn't get my boat off it. It jammed up on me last night. So when I put it back from up north. Pretty heavy, this trailer, but the little blue Angel can do it. Love this car, but I couldn't drive it all weekend because of Rego, so I had no choice but to get that ute. I mean, it was good, and then I left Bobby at home to go and get my car registered, and I came back and he's howling in the backyard. He thought I left him there. Oh, poor Bobby. So what I need to do if I do leave him there is leave him out the front with the gate shut. He will just lie there all day, guarding the house, just like he did up in Sydney. But even then, he doesn't like me leaving him. He likes to protect me. After I got bashed by those Muslim bastards, that's in court, and I'm going to sue them for every bloody penny. That's the reason why I ended up first time in hospital, and then I was vomiting blood the last time I was in there. But I discharged myself. They said, you'll die, and I said, I die, and I'm going to die. We all die, don't we? Eventually. I haven't got much longer on this earth, but I was still on this earth because I believe in the Jesus Christ and the Catholic Church, the Latin Catholic Church, yeah, which I mean, that's an acolyte. Now, how dangerous this road is. And everybody drives like rat bags. I need to get up north. I just don't want to become that rat bag. But I could have done me driving courses and all that plenty over the years. Some of these people cannot drive. It puts others at risk. You gotta watch that concrete barrier there, especially with a trailer or boat. It's very high winds, so the thing's shifting all over the place. We've been driving all the time, guys. Poor little blue angel. This car's pulled out in front of me, and then I've got to slow down, and then I chop it up the hill. It's like in the truck. And then you go get everybody on my backside, bloody, well, I just slow right down, those bastards. And I wait till they go past and I go after them. Anyway guys, I'm about to get onto the old road, feel more comfortable there, at least if I've got to pull over or something happens, flood or something. So nobody stops at the freeways. I do. Anyway, it's been my little spit. My little spit of the day. That's what I call it. My little spit of the day. Sounds good. Real Aussie term. Yeah. Okay guys, just sit back and watch if you want. Otherwise I'll just keep recording as long as I can with this camera. It's a GoPro. It must be CCTV. I'm going to see your buddy dash cam. 4K one. They're both 4K. But I can work a bit easier for the time. But I do bits and pieces, I put them all together on that one video. So I try not to do too long before people. But if you want to watch it, watch it. If you don't, don't. Ready, camera, just a bit of nice time. Okay guys, see ya.
As we know from experience what it means to be away from those we love most of all.
Thus we receive thee this crown, and so sanctify thy servant Elizabeth, on whose head this day thou dost place it for a sign of royal majesty.
The moment of the Queen's crowning is come.
My coronation is not the symbol of a power and a splendor that are gone, but a declaration of our hopes for the future, and for the years I may, by God's grace and mercy, be given to reign and serve you as your Queen.
Every year we herald the coming of Christmas by turning on the lights. And light does more than create a festive mood. Light brings hope. We continue to be inspired by the kindness of strangers and draw comfort that even on the darkest nights there is hope in the new dawn.
So I'm just getting something to eat at dinners. The snack packs are great, but I just got a big front of toast kicking out to keep moving. And they're waiting for me at Kennards in Sydney. Trying to get charged another day, hopefully.
At Eclipse Super,
Oh, great, hot.
to take control of your
Oh,
Super 60s so you can spend exactly the way you choose to. Eclipse Super retirees for over 90 years. Contact
For
us
strawberry milkshake.
control of your Super 60s. PDS and TMD available on our website.
Let's go guys.
you've got a story for us, you can email me, mark@2gb.com. mark@2gb.com. Enjoy your afternoon. I'll be back tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I'll see you around the roundabout. Bye-bye.
Starts with myself. It's quality you can taste. This is 2GB 873.
In this militant mushroom killer to spend life behind bars, protesters backed down from Harbour Bridge rally and Alcaraz with US Open duel against rival Sinner. It's midday. Good afternoon. I'm Madeline McNeil. Erin Patterson will be in her early 80s before she's ever released from prison, receiving her sentence for murdering her relatives with death cap mushrooms. Kiara Parker reports from Victoria's Supreme Court.
Erin Patterson has been spared the harshest penalty as she was jailed for life, sentenced to a minimum 33 years behind bars. The judge said setting a non-parole period did not undervalue the horrendous nature of her offending. Erin Patterson showed little emotion and kept her eyes closed for long periods throughout the hearing. A motive for the murders of Donna Gale Patterson and Heather Wilkinson and the attempted murder of Ian Wilkinson has never been revealed. Justice Beale said to Erin Patterson, "Only you know why you committed them." Lunch survivor Ian Wilkinson has spoken outside court.
I want to say thank you to the many people from across Australia and around the world who, through their prayers and messages of support, have encouraged us.
Now that Erin Patterson's
Is it some idiots on the road?
handed down, at
Got it wrong. He did this for us, not for himself or any private business benefit, as he says, quote, "Just so there's no confusion, I have condemned Putin and his illegal war in Ukraine from day one, and I unequivocally condemn Iran for its attacks on Australia and elsewhere around the world." He went on to say, quote, "I've said for years that a constructive relationship with China is in Australia's national interest, and hundreds of thousands of Australian jobs depend on it. That hasn't changed." So there you have it. The Victorian Premier was a visit motivated by love for Australia and the Australian economy, and his public criticism of some of the rogues gallery as to the prisoners and their nobility of this intent. And the question posed to you by that was clearly enough for a successor, and our Victorian Premier Jacinda Allen. And if you've ever wondered what the line of national loyalty sounds like, when it crashes headlong into beliefs of reality, what's it going to? Because according to her, quote, "It was good for Victoria that Daniel Andrews has held in such high regard by the people of China." She's even a cold shower over the Premier. So Daniel Andrews will certainly have known her to say last night, he's known to be a carrot. He said, and quote, "Victoria will be asking, is it worth it for self-interest and business purposes to be having a vote standing behind Kim Jong and Vladimir Putin?" Indeed, this is basically where the whole story ends. Yet, in reality, this is where it really just starts. Because Carroll's reference to self-interest and business purposes, no doubt links to Daniel Andrews' role as the advisory for Military Partners. They have some pretty big clients who are keen to continue to open the door to the Chinese market. Some of them are certainly household names. They are big and powerful captains of industry. One of them, in particular, if Finn's story is accurate, is a well-known champion of modern China himself. So, whether lowering yourself and standing beside bureaucrats is the price Andrews felt he had to pay to do business, as it were, is a question only he could answer. But the whole damn Andrews saga should give the media reason once again to look into the shadowy world of post-politics employment of ex-premiers and, in particular, ex-ministers. Dan Andrews might be clear of that as president of the league. He's far from alone when it comes to leveraging his political repertoire rather than lobbying members publicly in Parliament. Now, this is where you get a bit less. Because we'll simply, if you want to try and
So heading back home now, guys. To go see some people and have a meeting, pick some other stuff up from a friend's place. So I'm heading home. flying, because I need to get to Kennards to get that bloody ute back. They gave me an afternoon hours code, which I've gotten before, so I can take it back after hours. Anyway, this video is called Spit of the Day. Not always, just a bit of tongue in cheek, you know, bit of humour. Let's go. On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. My dad was a famous country western singer. With the likes, you know, Julie Anthony, Gary O'Callaghan, Reg Lindsay, Slim Dusty, all for our family sort of thing. You know, we had a lot of fun when we were young. Throwing boomerangs around and out in the bush and going to all the rodeos and the carnivals and the singing and with the bands, the Reg Lindsay Country Western Band, watching all those, and Tex Reed had come out to Australia and all that sort of stuff. And anyway, times come, times go. Just enjoy it while you can, guys. I've got my bread, got my dogs, I'm happy, got my boat. I might head out this afternoon, but there's a big storm coming. Boat's ready to go. Maybe head out to sea or one of the lakes. So come along, guys. Let's do it.
Spikes. The child was on this quad bike as well. The Deputy Police Commissioner Jill Rogers explains what happened.
The quad bike went over the road spikes and then a short time later has come to rest. Our officer has driven into the scene and been shot by the offender. A second patrol car has arrived and engaged with that offender, who was still armed, and brought that incident to an end.
So it's a second police officer bringing the incident to an end, i.e. he has shot Phillips dead. But the first police officer who responded has been shot multiple times with that high-powered rifle. He's been airlifted to hospital, he's undergone surgery, he is critical. And the police commissioner says he'll require several operations to survive this. They're very concerned about him. Now, the child who was also with his father, that child is now with the police, but there are still another two missing, and police have deep concerns for their welfare.
We hold serious concerns for those children, and our focus is on finding them.
Have the other, were any other officers, members of the public being shot at during the incident?
So this is the blind point when you first drive in. It's been a beautiful day today, it's 32 degrees in Sydney and down south. It's been up to Sydney. I'm sorting a few things out, meetings and things, and I'm on my way back, and there's nobody here hardly and today, but there's a storm coming, so I better get in. They're supposed to have some rain in our area in New South Wales for quite a few days, so I need to get some other videos up, guys. She's rolling in the storm, and there's a magpie over there, or a crow, no, magpie, and the ships are out, the tankers are out. And I'm just going to make a phone call, so I'll get back to you soon. Bye.